In this video, I will show you 3 examples of how to create chroma key templates in Canva. Before we get started, let me answer 2 questions. First, what is chroma key? Short answer is removing or keying a color, chroma. So, chroma key is using a color that can be removed to blend or show an image or video behind it. You may know this as green screen or blue screen, as those are the 2 most commonly used colors to key out. Second, why use chroma key templates? It saves time if you use a particular layout in multiple projects. In the case of creating a template in Canva and not just loading a video into Canva itself and going from there, is if you have a long-form video or multiple videos. It may not be feasible for editing and rendering purposes. The 3 template types I will show you are chroma key multiple frames in one template and apply to a video, chroma key a single frame using Canva elements, chroma key a single template using a background and shape. Let's get started. For all the templates, we will be using presentation size, which is 1920 by 1080, and the color green, hex code 00FF00. Our first template will be using multiple frames. I'm going to use this presentation template and remove the images. Next, I'm going to replace the images with a frame because I want the imperfect square that matches this sort of abstract vibe of the template. Since I used a frame, I'm going to drop in an image that I already have that is simply green. I want to change the background and text to match my project, and I've already done that here. So now let's download this template and move over to the video editor. I use ScreenFlow for all my screencasting, voiceovers, and editing, so it's what I will be using today. Just know that whatever video editor you use, you should have a chroma key feature available. I have imported my template and found some other video assets to use in the frames. Now I will move the template onto the timeline, make sure the template is selected, then head over to Video Filters and Chroma Key. If the software does not choose green, you can click on the template or choose the color from the palette. Making sure your chroma key template is above your graphics or video on the timeline, bring in your graphics or video. Place it and scale. Now I will do the other 2. Let's quickly view the final video. Next, we will create a full screen chroma key frame. Here, I am going to just place some abstract elements on my frame. Since your video is going to be playing within these graphics, you want to make sure you place them so they do not obstruct the video itself. If this does happen, you can scale your video in your editor. Now I will change the background to green, specifically hex 00FF00. I will download this real quick and we will again move over to ScreenFlow. I already have my presentation in the timeline, so I will bring in the Chroma Key template, choose Video Filters, Chroma Key, and remove the green background. Now as I scrub through this video, you can see there is one place that is covered by the frame. Here I can just scale down the video for that portion and then scale back up. Let's play that back. I'm going to show you one more quick template, and then you can go practice this in Canva and your preferred video editor. All I'm going to do is add a background, insert a shape, change the color to green, size it, and this one is ready to download and use in your video project. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. I am currently accepting clients in need of screencasting services. If this is you, you will find my information on screen now and in the description below. Thank you for watching.